Hello everyone. Today we're going to solve this very simple but interesting question. Okay, so here's the question. The question asks you, which of the following values are equal here? Okay, so they have given us the options which we have to choose from. All right, let me just move this, this side. All right, okay. So which of the following values are equal? Let's find out. Before we choose one of the option, what we can do is let's find out the value of each option first. So the first option is 1:5. So 1 raised to any power is always 1. So here is the answer 1 for this. Option 2 is 5 raised to the power of 0. So any base, whether it's 5, 50, 5,000, 5 million, if it has been raised to the power of 0, it is going to be always 1. So yeah, the value of option 2 is also 1. Now option 3 we are checking here, which is 0 to the power of 5. 0 raised to any power is always 0. Okay, and option 4, 5 to the power of 1 is 5. All right, so here you can see if when we solve those options, option 1 and 2 are having the same value. So which is option B here. So option B is correct, which is 1 and 2.